name's Gabby, and I'm gonna learn how to drink water upside down, because I have the hiccups.
Okay, take your cup. You want to put your mouth on this side. What are you doing?
I don't want to get my chin on it.
Alright, put your mouth on this side of the cup, and then drink.
I can't do it.
Alright. Let's try that again. Alright, ready? No, wrong way. Alright, you see? Stop! What are you doing this side? Alright, ready? Gotta go slow. And then drink. Close your mouth and then go upside down and drink.
I got an easier way.
Are you done? No, you still have them. Keep going.
I know. No, I got an easier way. Why can't you just put your mouth over like this and then go like this?
I don't know. Can you do that? It came out my nose. Alright, video off.